Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, hi, my name is Ree and I'm a homeschooling mom that happens to also be a professional educator. Now, welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. As the holiday whirlwind continues, it's crucial to take a moment for ourselves. Today, join me in diving into a world of self-care where we'll explore the gift of gratitude. Let's make this day 6 a serene and rejuvenating experience amidst the festive rush. Get ready to unwind and prioritize self love on this Vlogmas self care journey. But first, if you've not already done so, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to the channel. Here we focus on homeschooling, all things education related, and personal care topics. If you find this content to be enjoyable to you, please join our Blissful Connections family by subscribing and becoming a member today. We would love to have you. Now, with that, let's get into the video. As we shared on day 1 of Vlogmas, there are a variety of categories that self care activities fall into. We have mental, emotional, social, spiritual, physical, environmental, and recreational. Now, keep in mind that the activities we practice can spill over into more than one category at a time. Please revisit day 1 of Vlogmas to get more information about this discussion if you need to. In today's self care video, though, we'll focus on an activity that does just that. It spills over into more than one category. It's an act that feeds our spiritual, mental, and emotional areas of our existence. What activity am I referring to? The attitude of gratitude. That's right. Today we'll focus on exercising our gratitude for those things and people that touch our lives in a positive way. Gratitude isn't just a feeling, it's a powerful practice. Taking a moment each day to express gratitude can transform our perspective. It reminds us of the good amidst life's challenges. It fosters positivity, resilience, and a deeper appreciation for what we have. By acknowledging and appreciating the small and big blessings, we invite more joy and abundance into our lives. So let's embrace the power of gratitude and watch how it transforms our days. Gratitude isn't just a courtesy, it's self care in its purest form. When we cultivate gratitude, we're nurturing our own well being. It shifts our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives, fostering contentment and inner peace. Practicing gratitude is a gift we give to ourselves. It boosts our mood, reduces stress, and elevates our overall happiness. By acknowledging the positives, we're taking a proactive step towards self care, creating a mindset of appreciation and fulfillment. Therefore, today's challenge is to take time before bed to sit in a quiet, undisturbed space and write a list of things and people that you're grateful for. You can also take a step further and add along with the items that you're grateful for the reason why you feel that gratitude for that specific item. Your list is personal to you, so it can be as long as you want or need it to be. Take note of how you're feeling though while you're making your list, especially the more specific you get in writing what you're grateful for and why. Gratitude, as we stated, it's a cornerstone, guys, of self-care. It's the gentle reminder that amidst life's challenges, there's always something to be grateful for. When we embrace gratitude, we elevate our self-care routine. It's a simple yet powerful practice that shifts our perspective, bringing positivity, resilience, and a sense of fulfillment. By acknowledging the blessings, big or small, we nourish our well being and invite more joy into our lives. So let's make gratitude a part of our self care ritual and just watch how it truly transforms our days for the better. I just can't wait to embark on this activity with you all tonight. Please comment below and let us know one thing that you're grateful for. And with that, I want to wish you all a day full of love, joy, and peace. Talk with you soon.